Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here, and today we're talking about how to get a calculator on your iPad. Whether you're looking for the new built-in calculator in iPad OS 18, or you want to download a third-party app, I'll walk you through all the options. Let's get into it. Now, with iPad OS 18, Apple has finally added a built-in calculator app for the iPad. It's about time. This official app comes with great features like math notes, a history of your calculations, and more. So if your iPad supports iPad OS 18, definitely give this app a try. It's simple, functional, and ready to go as soon as you update your device. But what if your iPad doesn't support iPad OS 18, or you just don't want to update yet? No worries. You can still get a calculator by downloading one from the App Store. Just open the App Store on your iPad and use the search bar to look for Calculator. There are plenty of great options available, so browse through and pick one that suits your needs. Popular ones include Calculator Pro, PeaceCalc, or Calc Pro HD. Once you've chosen an app, tap Get or the Price button if it's a paid app, and it'll download and install on your device. After installation, you can open the app from your home screen and start using it right away. For quick access, you can even add the Calculator app to your dock by dragging it there, so it's always just a tap away. And if you're in a hurry and need a quick calculation without opening an app, you can always use Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, what's calculation?" And Siri will do the math for you on the spot. That's it for today's video. Whether you're using the new iPad OS 18 built-in calculator or downloading one from the App Store, you now have everything you need to get those calculations done on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you later.